ito na yung question natin. Kasi two major stars, may tampuhan, may alita, nag-aaway. Paano natin ipagbabate? Okay, kung kayo ang tatanungin.
Let's start with the comments and suggestions we got over our Facebook from Keen Matsumoto. Dapat daw magbati na sila kasi di ba mas masaya ang buhay kapag walang kaaway?
Ama, ito naman kay Karen Buenaventura. Huwag na lang seryosuhin lahat. Hindi naman natin alam kung nagbibiro lang or totoo. Ako, alam doon ako, Karen, nagbibiro talaga ang megastar.
Nagbibiro lang talaga. Christine Calderon says, dapat kalimutan na nilang nakaraan kasi yon ang factor na hihila sa kanila pababa.
Agwis, Kesa, tanggapin na lang nila ang mali nila, then talk, I'm sure, magkakaayos din sila. And I'm sure din naman, and yun naman ang pinagdadasal din natin, lalo na sa showbiz at mga kaibigan ni Megastar.
At saka magpapasko na, di ba? Christmas is about forgiveness. So sana mag-ayos na nga itong sina Megastar at Aga and move forward for a more positive 2011.
Ako knowing Aga, he's such a gentleman, Pia, I might say, no? By now, siguro nag-isip na yun ng move niya to talk to Mega.
Ako, I'm just a little bit worried about settling this in public. Alam mo yun? Using cameras, using press conferences. Because, you know, you can be taken out of context, pwede kang ma-misunderstood.
To begin with, ang feeling ko na kaya yung na-blown out of proportion kasi nga, di ba parang boom, ang daming reported nung concert niya.
Exactly. So sana, I think, if they really want to still keep the friendship, mag-usap na lang sila ng harapan.
On their own.
In private.
Yes.
At maraming fans ang Megastar at si Aga Mulak na, of course, gustong makita sila together in one movie.
Tsaka how sorry naman na parang ang tagal-tagal ng pinagsamahan nila na magdi-dissolve lang on account of this very small matter.
Yes.
Correct.
Pero from one issue to another, marami sa mga kapuso natin naman ang nalungkot, hindi ba? Dahil,
well, supposedly, ang international pop star na si Charisse was going to do a show here sa Kapuso Network.
Yung
Christmas special with Charisse.
Yun na ang narinig ko, pang health reasons daw, ang sinabi ni Charisse, alam mo, iba yung narinig ko.
Iba yung narinig ko because remember recently...
Kung bakit hindi parang na-delay or baka hindi na matuloy.
Kung matatandaan nyo po, during her concert in Singapore, she was down with a stomach flu. So this is the reason that her camp gave, dehydrated pa rin daw si Charisse up to now on account of that stomach flu incident.
Parang matagal na yun. Parang matagal na yun.
Anong narinig mo?
Ako, ewan ko, basta sana lang matuloy. Kasi gusto rin natin ng mga kapuso na makita si Charisse here.
Ang comment ko dyan, kung may commitment, it doesn't matter kung hindi natuloy yung Christmas special, kung another special in the future, kung may commitment, sana matuloy, sana may word of honor.
And you can bet that all her Filipino fans will be waiting for it dito sa Kapuso Network. For more details, watch this report.
Yung narinig ko, hindi tigilan ko lang.
Matapos unang maibalita na gagawa na last week ang international singing sensation na si Charisse ng isang Christmas special sa GMA, nakatanggap ang Kapuso Network ng isang official statement mula sa manager ni Charisse na si Grace Mendoza ukol sa kanilang desisyon na i-postpone ang mga performances at commitments nito sa Pilipinas. Ayon sa nasabing statement, and we quote, Filipino singing star Charisse will not be returning to her homeland this weekend for several previously announced TV performances and appearances. The singer, according to her physician, is suffering from dehydration caused by a recent stomach flu. Ipinarating rin ito sa nasabing statement ang pahayag ni Charisse tungkol sa nasabing issue. I want to apologize for disappointing my fans and supporters in the Philippines, but I have been advised by my doctor to rest for the next couple of days. Bilang tugon, naglabas rin ng opisyal na pahayag ang GMA Network ukol rito. And we quote, GMA Network regrets not being able to do the planned Christmas special with Charisse at this time, but understands that her well-being is first and foremost. The network, on the other hand, is glad to announce to all her fans and followers that Charisse has committed to do a TV special with the Kapuso Network as soon as she is able to come home. End quote.
Tutukan ang pagkikita ni na Heart Evangelista at ng ama ni Daniel Matsunaga.
I never imagined I could bring all of them here in the Philippines, and you know, it's been amazing. I hope they will have a lot of fun. They will meet a lot of different stuff, and yeah, just enjoy.
At Patrick Garcia may bagong girlfriend kaya gusto nang iwan ng showbiz. At ina ni Carla Abellana may pasaring kay Ray PJ Abellana na di umano'y tutol sa pakikipagrelasyon ng aktres kay Jeff Eigenman.
Like I said, I mean, I hope his intentions are well-meaning.
Susunod na, si Jillian Ward, live. Ikikwento ang Pasko niya noong hindi pa siya artista.